Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Zunaira Hanif, and in this tutorial I am going to show you that how you can create a preset in Photoshop. And here is a good news for you that I have shared the link of this created preset in description, so you can simply go there and download that amazing preset and simply you can apply on your images. So let's start it. First I will share that how you can create this preset. Second I will share that how you can use your saved preset in Photoshop. So let me show you. Here is the before and here is after result, which is making a image more lively. So don't wait and let's start that how you can create this preset in Photoshop. First you need to go to selective colors. First here is the red color. Red is actually it adjusts the skin tone colors. Okay, so you can adjust the skin tone of any human in using red color in selective colors. So in red I am decreasing the cyan a little bit, increase a very little magenta color and black. Now go for yellow. In yellow I will just increase cyan color. Overall I am giving a cyan look to my images, so I will preferably increase cyan in every color. So you can simply select this color and use your arrow on your keyboard to move to next color. Here is the green. In green I will increase the cyan again and reduce yellow a little bit. Now go for cyan. So this color will give this sky a very lively look, so I will increase to 100% and black also 100% in cyan. Now in blue, so again I am saying that I am going to give a cyan look to my images, therefore I will increase cyan to 100% and black to 100%. So I am not going to adjust this magentas over here. Oh yes, here is the white. You will check the difference over here. In white I will increase cyan. Oh my god, you can check. As you can see, here is a yellowish color in this white, so I will decrease the yellow over here. So basically it is also creating a cyan and cool look at the same time. Increase a little bit of your black over here. Next are neutrals. So I am not going to adjust the neutrals and black over here. So in one layer you can check. Here is the before and here is the after. And don't always keep in mind that we use selective colors for color grading in Photoshop. If you have the knowledge of these colors over here, you can create amazing presets in Photoshop. So however, we will discuss it further in coming videos. Now I will just adjust it overall over here from the levels. Just move this slider on the rightward a little bit. I think it's okay. You can check a little difference over here. So here is the before and here is the after, which is looking much better. You can check the skin tone over here, that here is the before and here is the after. Oh my god. So just see that how you can save your preset in Photoshop. Simply select your adjustment layers over here, go to your file, export, and from here color lookup tables. You just don't need to disturb any settings. Click OK. You can name your preset over here like whatever you want, like preset etc. Okay. So just save it. Now it has saved. Now we will check that how you can apply your saved preset in Photoshop. So here I have opened different images on which we are going to check our effect. So I would like to first use over here. You just need to simply go on your color lookup from here, click on this load 3D LUT, and you can simply place where there is and use your preset over here. Oh my god, here you can see that it has just give a life to your image. Here is the before and here is the after, which is looking much better over here. So let's check how it will look like if we use on this image. So revise this step, go to color lookup, load 3D LUT from here, use your preset. Oh, second a week. So here you can see it. You can also check the skin tone over here. Here is the before and here is the after, which is looking much better. I think it's so please, and don't forget, you can simply download this free preset from the description and use it on your images. And please don't forget to share your experience of this preset with me, and don't forget to like, subscribe and give your reviews in comment section. Thank you.